severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northwestern Pike County in southwestern Indiana until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Princeton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Petersburg, Winslow, and Francisco. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. or 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Gibson, and Pike. The National Weather Service